Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Amelia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just going to be doing a video on this hair. It's basically like a hair review video, and it's like how do I get my straight wig to get like curly like this. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get right into this video.
Hi girl, if they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
Alright y'all, so this is the wig. It's looking really nice. This is how the hair looks straightened. Well, not straightened. This is just the hair blow dried. And I did do a side part. It is holding the curls nice. I'm trying to go for like a body wave type of look. So yeah. I forget to curl this. And I want it like loose. And then I saw a video. The girl added something and then like scrunched it. But whatever she had, I don't have it. So I'm trying to make do with this mousse. But I really just want it to be like loose. I want body wave. So that is the desired outcome. And I'm doing this for my birthday photo shoot. So I hope that it comes out right. I'm gonna be on the dirty side. That's a big piece of it. I just feel like I had to do something different. Uh-oh. This is not body wave. These people know maybe it'll turn into body wave. So, I think if you like hold it. Yeah. Okay. I'll take this. Yeah, I'll take this. Not me saying I'll take it like I have a choice. So I guess that's how you make body wave. All right. And I'm not really doing it in like small pieces. And the curls are holding up nice. Like y'all, this is really nice hair. Like this is really good quality hair. I knew it from the start it was good quality hair because as soon as I washed it and blow dried it, it was so silky. I was like, wow. You know when you know something's good hair? This was good hair. I was like, yeah. And this hair is from PEGASUS. P-E-G-A-U-S, I think. Or is it U-A-S? I don't know, but I'll definitely leave the link in the description box because if you're looking for straight hair that looks good, like both straight and curly, this hair might be for you, because I'm really liking it, for real. And not just because it's like, not just because they sent me the video. Even in my hair videos, like my hair review videos, I try to be honest, because I don't want people to spend their money on something that's not good, because I would feel bad myself. I would feel some type of way, not even bad, I would feel some type of way if I watched a YouTube video. Actually, I did. It was for that synthetic wig. That girl was boosting that wig, because when I got that wig, it was not functioning like it was in her video. I just felt bamboozled, because I'm like, this is not, it was basically what you wanted versus what you got, what you thought you were gonna get versus what you actually got, type of thing. And I was just confused, because like, why would you give fake information? When I come on YouTube, I expect basically not to get lied to. Because even though the video is sponsored, you can still be honest about the quality of the hair stuff. Like, I'm not even joking. This is good quality hair. I know y'all can tell from the video. Y'all can see it yourself from the video that this is good quality hair. Let's put this in it too. And it's not taking that long to curl. The curls are looking nice and bouncy. The wig isn't like getting like, you know, like tangled or like thin. And also, y'all, this was very easy to bleach. And what was I gonna say? It was easy to bleach, and I'll just need to get this hair. I actually might spend my own money on it and just like go buy another one, because I love a good straight hair, and this is it. Like, I knew it was good, like I said, after I blow dried the hair. Not even blow dry, I washed the hair last night, and then when I got the hair, it didn't look like it was 20 inches, but damn, now when I put it in my hair, it looks longer than 20 inches. So I like that about the wig. There was no smell to it. It came with DHL. Like, it was delivered through DHL. Alright, y'all. Okay, now we're looking like someone. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush through this a couple times. Just for it to get like bouncy, you know. Take the flat iron and just try to blend this out. And I get that. I could honestly use my hot comb. I'm trying to give it the, you know, the little hump that people be having when they get their hair done. Yeah. Next thing we're gonna do is this is the final look. This is how I get these bouncy curls.